Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm here to show you where to find the 2 fragment pieces that you need in order to construct the habitat builder that allows you to build bases in Subnautica 2. This one, by default, you don't have the pattern or the blueprint to make it. You have to scan 2 of them that are broken in the environment. So to craft this particular item, the first fragment that we're going to be looking for is actually right over here to the northeast, or between 60 and 75 of the Lifepod being right here. And if we swim all the way down into this hole, using the wake maker, here at the very bottom, underneath of a piece of wreckage that I just picked up, is going to be a habitat builder. So that's the blueprint location number 1. After that, the remaining 2 blueprints that you're going to want are right in and around the welcome center, which is directly to the southeast of the Lifepod. So the next fragment is right here. It's inside of a box right outside the welcome center. And then the third piece, you only need 2, I should mention, but just in case one of these pieces refuses to scan and behave itself, is actually under the welcome center inside of this cave. So you can find just inside of here, in the side of this box, another fragment of the habitat builder. And then once you're done, you can build this with a couple titanium, some glass, a battery, and a little bit of copper wire. Now, after you build this bad boy, you can pick which items that you want to create, select them, and then place them somewhere in the world. And as long as you have the materials on you, this fancy constructor gun will do all of the work for you. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This has been a brief look at where to get the habitat builder inside of Subnautica 2. And I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.